So nervous. Don't want to break it. Yes, it came out nicely. Hi everyone. Today I want to show you this super cute DIY candy kit from Kracie, お絵かきグミランド. Just look at this adorable packaging. Guess what? You can make gummy candies in your favorite colors. I love gummies, so I'm really excited about this. The instructions are clearly written on the back of the package. I'm already getting excited. Let's open it up. Inside, there are lots of cute molds. A bunny, a carrot, a house, a flower. No matter which one you pick, they are all so cute. You also get the gummy base powder, color powders, and of course, the essential dropper. Alright, let's get everything ready. I'm popping out the mold pieces now. They come apart pretty easily. I love the little pop sounds they make. All done! Now, I'm going to add water to the row of trays on the right. Use the dropper to fill each one up to the line. Let's start with yellow. Add the powder and mix it well. It's a nice bold yellow. Smells like pineapple. Next is red. It has a more mature, muted tone. It smells sweet, like grapes. And finally, blue. This one is also a strong color, and it smells like soda. Now, we've got our primary colors. It looks just like a paint palette. Let's mix and make some new colors using the color guide. Yellow and red make orange. Wow! It turned into such a pretty orange. Next, blue and yellow. And we get green. The color changes instantly. It's so cool. Now, red and blue. That makes purple. This is so much fun. How about mixing red and plain water to make pink? Oh, it's such a cute color. Then red plus blue plus yellow makes brown. It's fun and educational. We are learning about color mixing. Blue plus water makes light blue. Let's try yellow and water too. Oops, I made brown again. Oh well. Look, I've got a full color palette now. Let's finally start making the gummies. Look at this fluffy gummy powder. I'm pouring it into the tray. There's so much of it, and it smells slightly sweet. Let's level it out with a mini fork. It feels like I'm farming. So fun! Okay, now let's start with the bunny mold. The palette is actually really steady. Press it firmly into the gummy powder. Smooth out the surface a bit, and then start adding the color liquid on top. First, pink. Oh, I see how it works. So cute! Let's keep going. Next, yellow. The powder soaks up the liquid and it starts to set. Fascinating! How about blue? I think it will be cute. Yeah, so cute! Now, purple. It's turning into a rainbow color and I love it! And finally, orange. So adorable! After 60 seconds, the gummy sets, so let's wait a bit. Time's up! Let's gently take it out of the mold. This part is really important. Be careful here. Here's the back, a little bumpy, but let's just ignore that. Use a fork to push it out carefully. It's pretty firm. Be gentle so it doesn't break. Got it! Look at this adorable bunny gummy. I can't wait to eat it. Let's keep going. Flatten the powder again. This time, let's try the carrot mold. Press it in deeply. Shape it with your fingers. Let's try using brown. Oh, I should have made it leafy part green. Let's just add some green on top. Will it work? Yeah, it's fine. Now, let's use orange for the carrot itself. Drip it all over the shape. This carrot would go perfectly with a bunny. Nice! After 60 seconds, take it out. Here's the back again. But look at this! It turned out great. Can't wait to try it. Next, the house. I added lots of colors. It looks so cheerful. I'm excited! Wow, amazing! Then the flower, I used purple for the petals, yellow for the center. Oops, the color blended a little. Maybe I should have waited until it set before adding more. Waited 60 seconds. Now, let's take it out. So nervous. Don't want to break it. Yes, it came out nicely. And the house too. It popped out perfectly. So satisfying. Done! Some turned out better than others, but look at all these colorful gummies. They look dreamy and cute. Let's try them. Starting with the bunny, the one that turned out a little funny. Itadakimasu. It's delicious. It's got a refreshing soda-like flavor. The texture isn't super chewy like regular gummies, but it's soft and bouncy. I love it. So good! What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!